Hey, I love you. I miss you, Papa.
I miss you too.
Hey, Don.
You are begging on.
Yes.
Don't worry. I don't love Adwa. Adwa, I'm just entertaining Adwa. So it's not my anything, you know.
She came and gave me strong warning.
Strong warning?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me. See how I will pick them off from.
Yes.
Hey, Little. I've been searching for you everywhere. And you are here making love with this Obolobo. Hey.
Madam,
You have been searching for
you.
Okay, girls. You.
Adwa.
I've given you.
Adwa.
Hey, oh, leave me. Why?
Now what are you saying?
Hey.
What are you?
Come here.
That's a messy. That's a messy thing. Please.
Don't listen. Warn her. Talk to her.
Forgive me.
Talk to her.
Forgive me. I'll talk to her. Don't worry. I'll give her strong warning. Don't worry.
Where are it?
Look at them.
I said, where are it?
Look at them. That's them.
And for you, next time I catch you,
You catch
see what I'll do to you. You dare me. You just dare me and you see.
Do to yourself, not me. Keep quiet. See, quietness. Be careful what.
Christy, don't bring yourself. Oh.
Right, talking to me,
Christy,
leaving
don't bring
Adwa.
yourself. Oh.
Leaving Adwa.
You just ask
What you
Adwa what I do to her. Don't
If I
bring
try you,
yourself.
what you do? Me, I there for him.
Yes.
I there for him.
Yes.
I go show you. You stand there, make fool like crocodile. Do not crocodile.
Look at you. Huh? I love Don. I love Don. Am I lying?
Look at him like
Next time, don't touch him again. I'm giving you warning. Next time, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Christy, be careful. Christy, be careful.
by mistake.